When we're talking about corrugated stainless steel tubing, for those of you who are brand new and maybe don't have any background on this, is we're talking about a tubing that's corrugated for running gas piping. It takes the place of gas piping. Lots of heavy feelings on both sides. Some people love it, some people hate it, but isn't that the truth with everything? Even as an apprentice, for some of you who are right now registered apprentices or licensed apprentices, you're not supposed to touch any corrugated stainless steel tubing or be involved with installing it unless you are truly certified. And you should get certified in as many as you can, at least one. There's a trade show that comes up. It's the biggest plumbing and gas fitting trade show on the East Coast, first weekend of March. You can actually get certified there. It takes like an hour to go over some of these things. But as you work towards your license, these are good things to have to get these certifications, because even as an apprentice, you must be certified to have any contact with this material. Massachusetts, one of the only states that makes people do that, because there's been some problems with this material, and most of those problems are when people don't pay attention to manufacturer's instructions, and that's the truth. There's some CSST manifolds, and then you get things like this that I know some of you don't connect with at all yet, but you will. That is a picture of somebody who was certified and still did it wrong. So here's a hint for those of you who are working with it, those of you who don't really have any background in it. You run CSST, corrugated stainless steel tubing, horizontally. In 90% of the cases, it has to be sleeved along its entire length. And these are all things that come up as we talk about as you move closer and closer to becoming a licensed plumber / gas fitter, or plumber who's permitted to do gas fitting.